In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end or close or complete the sprint in Jira. If you're wrapping up a sprint and you're ready to formally close it in Jira, this process is very quick once you know where to look. Completing a sprint is an important final step because it helps Jira record the work that was finished during that sprint and prepares your board for the next planning cycle. To begin, go to your Jira board and click on Backlog. This is the area where Jira shows your current sprint, upcoming work, and any remaining issues that still need to be organized. Opening this backlog view is important because the sprint completion option is typically managed from there rather than from other board views. If you don't immediately see the sprint controls, just make sure you're on the correct project board and that the active sprint is visible. Once you're in the backlog section, look for the complete sprint button and click it. This tells Jira that you want to start the sprint closing process. At this point, Jira may show you a summary window with details about the sprint, such as what work was completed and whether there are any unfinished issues still remaining. This review step is useful because it gives you a final chance to confirm that you're closing the correct sprint. After reviewing the information, click Complete Sprint again to confirm. This second click is the final action that closes the sprint in Jira. Once confirmed, the sprint will be marked as completed, and Jira will handle any unfinished issues based on your board's setup, often moving them into the backlog or prompting you to decide what should happen next. As a quick tip, before completing a sprint, it's a good idea to make sure your team has updated issue statuses so the sprint report is accurate. That way, the completed sprint reflects the actual work done, which can be helpful for retrospectives, reporting, and future sprint planning. And that's it. To close a sprint in Jira, you simply open Backlog, click Complete Sprint, and then click Complete Sprint again to confirm. It's a short process, but it plays an important role in keeping your project tracking clean and up to date. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently complete your sprint in Jira.